behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Round 2 match number 8 off in autonomous as the bots move, gaining 7 points for placing coral high atop the reef. 3 points for each alliance as they come off the starting position. As we're ending the autonomous round, the first 15 seconds programmed by the human players, they take control of the bots on the bottom of the sea. 88-65 from the Blue Alliance coming down to play defense on the Red Alliance bots as the Robo Alliance have coral in their possession heading towards the reef. They've got it in their possession, raising it high, scoring 5 points for the Red Alliance right now as it's 31 for the Blue and 24 for the Red. 16-83. Looking, dancing around, 75-38 Metal Mountain team as 51-09 is on the coral reef, placing it high as it's now 41-26 in favor of the Blue Alliance with 1:40 left to go. 12-61 has one. Bounce off the reef, back down onto the ocean floor. 16-83, the Techno Titans placing one high atop the reef. Another 5 for the Blue Alliance as it's 51-28 with 1:30 left to go. 75-38 still playing defense, trying to keep those alliances from getting that valuable coral from the coral station on the sides of the field. The human players take the coral from the coral station and slide it down the chute to the bots at the bottom of the sea. It's 12-61, the Robo Lions with coral in their possession, placing it high atop the reef, placing it there. It is right there, going on top of the reef for another 5 points as they're trying to catch up to the Blue Alliance as there's a 26-point difference right now as it's 61-35 with 1 minute left to go in favor of the Blue Alliance. Still a lot of scoring opportunities out there. 5 points for each coral scored high atop the reef. 4 points in the middle of the reef, 3 points on the lower end. If they can place it in the trough, it's worth 2 points apiece. There's also 6 points apiece for each piece of algae they can place in the processor, as well as 4 points for each one they can get in the net up top. 16-83 now placing another one high atop the reef. It's now 71-48 in favor of the Blue Alliance with 34 seconds left to go as the Red Alliance gets up another 5 points. It's now 53 for the Red and 71 for the Blue as action continues. 51-09 trying to stop 12-61 from scoring that valuable coral points as 88-65 as that algae in their possession. They're going to the processor trying to get 6 points on the side. The Decula droids standing still at the processor. The currents are a little strong. They're trying to get lined up in the processor. As we come down to the end of the match, 16-83 is up off of the ocean floor. That's worth 12 points. A 75-38 is up off the ocean floor as well. That could be worth 12 points for them. And that's the end of that match as it's 84-72 showing at the end of the match. We'll see what happens when we get the barge points added up. All right, in that last match, Alliance number 3 will be moving on to match number 11 to face off against Alliance 1 with a score of 98-88. Alliance 2 will move down to the lower bracket to face off against Alliance 8 in match number 10.